Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Pranjal Mishra. Today is 4th of February and it's 7:04 of the evening. It's 7:04 p.m. Okay. So, there are a lot of things that I would like to talk about. First thing first. So, we all know what have happened on 26 January of 2021. There were violence near the Red Fort. So, regarding that, there were some petitioners who filed a petition in Supreme Court on Wednesday. So, regarding that, what Supreme Court have told that guy and to the media is that they reject to plea any petition against this case. Now we have to understand this that Supreme Court stated a reason that they think the government is doing what is needful and government is doing investigation at their own stage and at their own field, and they are doing what is needful and what need to be done. So that's why they have refused and reject each and every petitions that had filed against this case. And let me remind you that there are 396 around policemen that have injured, and several farmers that have injured, and there is also a guy who actually have lost his life on 26th of January. So there were some rumors that that guy was shot by some policemen in the head, and they actually wrap his body around the Indian flag. Well, I think wrapping his body around him with the Indian flag is not good, because according to them that guy was a shaheed. But I think this is not the case, because that guy was actually died by his own fault. So what that guy does is he was in full speed on a tractor, and he actually smashes a barricade near Delhi. And due to this, he injured his head and he died on the spot. And a lot of people are saying that he is a shaheed, but I think not the case. Now, second thing is that this is actually an insult to the soldiers, because we all know that the Indian soldiers are the only people that we actually cover their bodies when they died on the battlefield with the Indian flag. So I think this is a real insult to the soldiers also, and an insult to the Indian flag also. So, moving on, the next thing I would like to talk about is that you guys have heard about today's news that the pop star Rihanna and the ex some star in movies, her name is Mia Khalifa, and there are there are two more people. One is Greta, and the other one is Meena Harris. If you guys don't know about Meena Harris is a niece. She's a niece of Kamala Harris. The Kamala Harris, who is actually the Vice President of United States of America. Okay, so I just want to say one thing, that these guys are neither accurate and not responsible for what they are doing. These guys are actually didn't know the difference between the rabi crop and the kharif crop, but still they are talking about farm laws and farmer protesters right and all. I think they don't know about the violence that have occurred and what are the facts behind each and everything. These guys are pop stars, and I think they should do what they are good at. And these guys are just getting some fame and negative popularity that they are thinking about to get. Because if you think in a different manner, then you guys may be thinking that what it would cost to get this much promotion or popularity in India. Because if you think, how many people do know about Rihanna in India? Not very much. There are very few people who know about Rihanna, and that too because they are listening to some English pop songs and all. And that's the only reason they know Rihanna, which is actually a fact. And due to this reason that she have posted some tweets uh, on this issue, she I think maybe she got 30 to 40 plus percent of Indian population knowing her name now. Now they know who is Rihanna. And I think she have done so many work and so many songs and all, but all those songs have never create popularity which is similar to this tweet. So now you think why celebrities are talking about these things, and each and every celebrities that are talking about these things are not very uh, known what other facts are, and why government are doing what they're doing, and why farmers are actually protesting. They don't know these things. They know only one thing, that their manager have told them to tweet about this and they'll get popularity, which is negative and positive. They don't mind. They just need popularity. And we all know during these pandemic times there were no concerts, no release of music that much. So actually these people have a lot of free time, and I think this is a very good step from from their side to get the popularity. And I must say, well played and all, but these guys knows nothing. And I was in the park in this morning, and so what happened is that there were few old people who were talking about these Rihanna and Mia Khalifa and all. And one old guy said something very simple and still very straightforward, that if these guys are so good in this, and so why they're not doing farming and all, why they're doing the like what they're good at, right? So I think people should mind their own business, and without getting all the facts they should not talk about these things. So now the last thing that I want to talk about is Jeff Bezos. So you guys know him as the CEO of Amazon, and the richest man of world, of this whole world. So what happened is that he actually removed himself from the position of CEO of the Amazon, and he suggested Andy Jassy for the next CEO of the Amazon. So he gave some interviews why he want to switch, and why he would like to do what he's going to do after CEO of the Amazon. So he told everyone that after being a CEO of this bigger scale of a organization, he's going to follow his passion. Yes, you guys have heard me very, very crystal clearly, that he is going to follow his passion, which is actually a fund, which is known as Earth Fund. Now, what is Earth Fund? You guys may ask. So, Earth Fund is a fund which is working on an idea that that they should give some projects and do some activities which is good for the climate. Why? Because we all know the effects of climate change and each and everything, like global warming also. So now he's going to work in this organization which is known as Earth Fund, and they are going to fight the effects of the climate change. Well, that's good. And he's going to be the biggest, or you can say the largest shareholder of the Amazon company. And now he's not CEO of the Amazon anymore. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope you guys stay fit and stay healthy. And yeah, thank you very much.